Imagine a world where every decision you make contributes to the health and well-being of our planet. Now stop imagining, because that world is here, and it begins with the laundry you do every day. Enter the Biowashball, an innovation that is not only changing the way we do laundry, but also the way we care for our environment. A product birthed from the passion of preserving our planet and creating a sustainable future. Here's the magic. The Biowashball eliminates the need for chemical-laden detergents. It harnesses the power of microbial fermentation, a natural process that breaks down stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It's nature cleaning nature. Choosing Biowashball is more than just an eco-friendly decision. It's a statement. A statement that you stand for a sustainable lifestyle and against wasteful practices. And it's not just about the environment, it's about your pocket too. With Biowashball, you save on detergent costs, reduce waste, and contribute to a cleaner planet. It's a win-win for both you and Mother Earth. Embrace the Biowashball and become part of a greater movement towards a brighter, cleaner future. Visit washingball.com today and make a positive impact. With Biowashball, you're not just doing laundry, you're making a difference. As we draw this journey to an end, remember this: the Biowashball is more than a product. It's a commitment. A commitment to a cleaner world, a greener future, and a healthier planet. Washingball.com, where clean meets sustainable. Join us in redefining clean and reimagining sustainability. Because the future of our planet is in our hands, and it starts with the choices we make today.